What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Yanissa. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe below and join the family. So today's video is going to be an unboxing haul of my favorite brand, which is Telfar. Fun fact, if you guys did not know, Telfar is actually a black-owned brand. It is a unisex line that was created in Queens, New York in 2005, which is also known as the Bushwick Birkin. Get you a Bushwick Birkin. It's also made of vegan leather, which is really, really good. So for those who actually follow me on Instagram, know that I am obsessed with his bags. I'm obsessed. I feel like every time he drops a bag, I'm literally waking up at 9 a.m. on the dot to make sure that I have my bag in the cart, which sucks because they sell out in less than 3 seconds. So I managed to get my hands on these. I'm going to share with you guys my purchase. Stay tuned. My first Telfar bag was actually gifted to me from a good friend. It was actually the small bag in the color cobalt. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but this bag is freaking cute. Once I got this bag, I fell in love and obsessed with Telfar, and yeah, it just went from there, and I just had to like get more and more. So this is a small. Super cute. Has a little side strap to it, and if you wanna, you know. So the bag does come with this dust bag, which is super cute. So this is her. My first purchase from Telfar was actually this one right here. A medium-sized bag in navy blue. As you guys know, Telfar's bag also come in small, medium, and large. I was dying to get my hands on a medium-sized bag, which is this one right here. This bag is going to be my everyday bag. I did order a black medium one to also use for an everyday bag. It has not came in yet, so I'm waiting on that. I also did order a medium-sized green bag as well, as in kind of everyday bag as well. Yeah, I got issues. But yeah, those two bags have not came in yet, so I'm still waiting on that. Once they do come in, I will do a video on that, so stay tuned. Okay, as you know, all the bags come with their dust bags. Here is my baby. So this is the medium navy blue bag that I use as an everyday bag. My next bag that I ordered and was lucky enough to get was the Brown's small bag, which is super duper cute. And this is actually the first time that I'm actually taking it out the bag. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Of course, you know, it comes in the bag. Whew, look at her. Look at this cutie. Ugh, super cute. So this is bronze. It's like a golden brown bag with like a shimmer to it. So cute. It's similar to this one. So now I have two. Definitely cannot wait to style her up. Got the perfect outfit in mind, by the way. This is my baby. Last but not least, I got myself another small bag. You cannot go wrong with small bags. I feel like they're perfect to go out. You can easily put your cell phone in, your keys, and your wallet to go out. This one is in the color cream and it's also new. I have not taken it out or nothing, so we're going to see how it looks. Of course, it comes with the dust bag, and let's take her out. Hi. So this is cream. Alright guys, so these are the bags that I have so far, and that is the end of this video. Definitely I would recommend for you guys to get yourself a Telfar bag. These bags are super cute and stylish, and you cannot go wrong. The material of these guys are amazing. The quality is like, come on. Definitely make sure to get yourself a Telfar bag. As quoted by him, it's not for you, it's for everyone. Hope you guys like this video. Comment below which bag you like and need to get your hands on. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.